What's up everybody? In today's video, we're taking a look at Casa Di Fiori, the community, along with their new construction models that just hit the market. The model that we're sitting in right now is called the Bougainvillea model. It has approximately 1,325 square feet, 2-bedroom plus a den, and 2 bathrooms with a detached 1-car garage. So let's go ahead and take a tour of this unit and tell me what you think. Let's go. All right, so here we are at Casa Di Fiori. We're at 1143 and we're gonna be looking at unit 102 there. And this is the model. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. All right, let's go take a look. So as soon as we walk in here, to our right, we have the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, white shaker cabinets, quartz countertops. And if you look at the tile, that's actually porcelain tile, not the luxury vinyl plank. So pretty nice overall. Now, let's go ahead and take a look around at the other parts of the home. So we have a sitting area that is, or a dining area, right in front of the kitchen here. And if we go further in, we have the living room over on this side. And then straight behind the living room, we have the outdoor area or lanai. So, pretty good sized lanai that's here. And then you have the master bedroom sliders over there. And then it looks like it's plumbed for a sink on this side and it has power. So maybe you could get away with a little outdoor cooking area that's right over here. All right, so shut that up. Let's go into the master bedroom here. That's a king size bed in the middle. And if we look up, we see the tray ceiling with the sliders leading out to the lanai. Here is the bathroom. So this is pretty nice. They have their gray shaker cabinets with the quartz floor. The tile matching all the way up into the bathroom. In the shower, I mean, where it has floor to ceiling tiles, right? A little linen closet that's here. And then of course the master closet. And if we look down below, we have the actual dual sinks with the gray cabinets. Pretty nice, offsets. And gives a little bit more contrast. And we're just flowing in this unit right now. Washer and dryer. Let's see. Yep. With a little bit of storage areas above each, which is pretty nice. Mechanicals are here. AC unit. Right below it is the hot water heater. And then we're coming into the guest bathroom, where we have ceramic tile floor, which is really nice. I like seeing the tile throughout the whole home, even the wet areas. Not too many different variations of the floor. The gray shaker cabinet with sink, toilet. And this is a nice feature in here. They have a drop-in tub, which is not bad. But look at the tile. That's tile backsplash. And they have a little light above head there. Really nice. So, let's go into guest bedroom number 1. Little niche wall there with a bay window on this side. We come around into guest bedroom number 2. We have the same. This room is a little bit smaller. I guess this is what they would call the den. Technically, that could be converted into a closet, so it could be a 3-bedroom, but it's actually a den with a little bay view window right out front here. And your garage is directly in front of you. So, overall, this unit's really nice. Hard to tell in here, but the ceiling height, that's a 9-foot ceiling. And then in the hallway here is an 8-foot ceiling. Oh, we missed the closet. Another linen closet. Right? And then in the main living area, I believe this is a 9-foot ceiling as well. Really, really nice. Alright, so here we are in Casa Di Fiori's clubhouse, and this is what we got. They have a little reading room over here, a really decent sized clubhouse area, pool table, little entertainment center over on this side, and then it looks like they have a kitchen over here. So pretty nice clubhouse overall. And then we'll go on this side of the clubhouse. Restrooms, of course. Then they have a fitness area. And then a little sitting room on this side over here. Pretty nice overall. I mean, really, really nice clubhouse, brand new. And then they have a beautiful pool on the back area. Yep. So we have a pool on this side of the rec room, and a really, really nice clubhouse.